Hello and welcome everyone. This video is really important for all the chartered accountants, those who are looking for overseas campus placements, because Institute have launched their overseas campus placement program once again. So every 2 year ICAI एक overseas campus placement program लेके आता है for all the chartered accountants which is there. So if you are really serious and if you're looking for a global opportunities, this video is for you. But before you move forward, please ensure that you do two things. Number one, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't forget or miss out all the important updates related to interview training and placement. That is number one. And second, very important, and that is we have created one of the finance community group where we post a lot of vacancies every day. So please join that community group so that you are ahead in the race, and whatever vacancies comes in the market, we are the first one who are going to be posting those vacancies in the group. So let us understand and how this sprint program is going to be working. First of all, who all are eligible for this program? सबसे पहले वो देख लेते हैं कौन कौन eligible है. Now the eligibility for this program is for the people those who have obtained a membership prior मतलब पहले of 31st of October 2023, right? Those who have taken their membership before this and have not obtained a COP. So in short, ऐसे लोग जिसके पास membership है before 31st of October 2023 and have not obtained membership are eligible for the same. Now, when will your registration start? The registration for all of you guys will start on 10th of January 2025 and it is going to be till 16th of January, which is there. Now, the question comes where you have to register for the same. Let me just show it to you. कहाँ पे आपको register करना है and what is the entire process for the registration. Okay, so this is the website of Institute of Chartered Accountants where you have to go and register yourself. cmib.ici.org. यहाँ पे overseas campus placements में you have to click as a member. Once you're here, you have to register yourself first. You have to put your details, all the details out which is there, including your membership number. Once you have done with this, your account will be created. And once your account is going to be created, you can log in here as a member. And once you log in, there is the dashboard which is going to be appeared here. Now, this form is as of now not activated because the form is going to be activated on 10th of January. So, as and when the form out, I'll be happy to help you out and guide you how do you fill this form out, which is there. Now, those who are interested and are serious, you are supposed to pay a fees of 1000 rupees, which is there for the participation of this program. Now let us talk about the statistics before we move forward, that how many people got offers and what is the statistics which is there. Now one thing which is mentioned very clearly in the brochure which mentioned that if a company coming from outside India and have a one vacancy to hire a one candidate, they can filter or shortlist a 7 times of candidate which is there. Which says a shortlisting by an individual recruited entity shall be restricted to the maximum 7 times of the numbers of vacancies that a particular organization is expecting. तो एक वैकेंसी के लिए 7 लोग को इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया जाएगा. तो लेट अस सी द पास्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स व्हिच हैज बीन देयर व्हिच इज गिवन बाय द इंस्टीट्यूट. If you see in 2020, 2018, 2019 and 2022 and after 2 years again it is happening, and so again you guys are lucky enough that you're a part of this program. Now if you see one number is a bit dissatisfying, that is number of jobs offered by the participating organization and companies were again low, but I think this is again a good number of now because at least एक initiative तो लिया जा रहा है institute के द्वारा which is going to be at least helping some of the companies, some of the people to achieve their dream job or dream goal to get into different countries. Now one more very interesting thing, please don't forget to miss out and check one of my very interesting video and a booklet which we have prepared on how to find out a job in Dubai. You will find out it on I button as well. Plus we'll get the same over a description. So please check that out if you're really serious and interested to go to Dubai. एक बहुत ही detailed video मैंने बनाया है for 1 hour 30 minutes which talk about end-to-end process, how do you go and how do you apply. So that is also taken care of. We are serious and if you're looking for a global opportunities. Now if you could see this out, so number of members registered were very high. Number of candidates were shortlisted. Of the numbers is again low because of the multiple shortlisting parameters based on your experience, based on this. So it is more for an experienced chartered accountant. Freshers के लिए उतना relevant रहेगा because of course freshers जो है this don't have the membership number or they have just obtained it recently. The number of companies which participated will be on this numbers, and if you could see this out, the vacancies on the number of offers which were rolled out were in this. ठीक है, of course the numbers is bit low, but yes ठीक है, उसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं. Companies के लिए the registration fees is 0, right? So high probability that more companies might come this year. पहले कुछ charge करते थे लोग, but this year for this companies they are not charging anything. For different center wise, if you are looking for a globally, they will be having a multiple centers. So again, you will be given a choice. जब form fill out होगा, that time I'll just speak to it कि how you're going to be doing it. Now let us talk about a timeline which is really important for me and how this is going to be working. So the registration will start on 10th of January till 16th of January. The registration process is going to be there. So this is something you have to take care of. Once the registration is done, once your registration is completed, your shortlisting will be done between 17th to 28th, right? यहाँ पे आपको shortlisting हो जाएगा, right? Which is going to be done by a recruiter. When do you come to know? You will come to know on 21st of January. 21st of January को आपको पता पड़ जाएगा कि which all companies you are shortlisted for, है ना? Consulting by the candidate on 21st of January. So 21st of January is a really important date, and 10 to 16th is an important date for you guys to fill out the form. So these 2 dates you have to keep it in your head, and once this is done, your interviews will be on 24th and 25th of January. मतलब आप 21 को consent दो, 24 और 25 तारीख को आपका इंटरव्यू रहेगा. One of the very important question which might be asked to you is your passport. Do you have a passport? They'll also try to have and check your international exposures. So that is there. A lot of people, those who have worked with the global firm, it's a good opportunity for you to not miss out the same. And I would highly recommend all of you guys, if possible, and if you're serious and interested, you can fill out this form, right? It's just an investment of $1,000, which is a great initiative taken by ICAI after a very long time. So I would be happy if you guys can again fill out the form. And if you have further more queries, or if you're facing any difficulties or stuff, you can write out a mail to this email ID, or you can connect this number out. This is the number given by the institute. And the brochure is of course available in the description as well. To check the description link so that you can also download the brochure as well. Yes, generally employer will be looking for some entry level, mid level, or top level managers. So that is also going to be spoken here, and they have just mentioned the reason of why why the global company should hire a chartered accountants based in India. Now, one more very interesting thing before I move forward, right? The lot of people, those who are there, those who are serious and looking for a preparations. So one thing which we have created is the AI interview bot. You can practice your mock interview with AI interview bot. You can go here, practice AI interview bot, and you can start practicing. Select your domain where you want to get into and select as experience. Once you upload your resume, you can practice with the AI interview bot. The AI interview bot is going to be helping you to prepare end to end regarding your domain, regarding your technicals, and regarding your basic HR questions which are there. So we have prepared this AI bot at this tools.cmong.com. If you could see it out, tools.cmong.com. This is our website. You can check it out on interview bot side. Parallelly, if you are also looking for some smart interview preparation tips, you can visit our website cmong.com. A lot of interview training courses we keep on running very frequently. So whichever batch is available that time, you can join that out. Right, the live batch, if you could see it out, it's there. You can just click on interview prep, and this is batches are live batches, guys. We don't sell a recording batches because reason being interview preparation can only be done when you practice it out, right? And that is going to be taken care of in this Getting Interview Ready workshop. So if you're serious and again looking for interview prep, do check this out. And if you need any other help regarding your overseas campus placements or any other placements out, don't forget to reach out to us. Happy to help you in whatever way possible. With this, wish you all the best for your global opportunities, and do check the video which is there for Dubai jobs as well. Till then, bye bye, take care, and stay safe.